Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on almost everyone's mind: how to get rich. But forget the lottery tickets, scams, or wishful thinking today. I'm giving you 7 real, proven steps that actually build wealth. No fluff, no hype, let's get into it. Increase your income. If you want to build wealth, you need fuel, and that fuel is income no matter where you're starting. The first step is to increase how much you earn. Learn high-income skills like coding, sales, marketing, video editing, graphic design, or start a side hustle that adds extra cash flow. Remember, it's much easier to save and invest when there's actually more money coming in. Never stop improving your ability to earn. Spend less than you earn. Now that you're making more, here's the real secret: don't spend it all. Lifestyle inflation. Upgrading your car, house, gadgets is a trap that keeps people poor, even on 6-figure salaries. Instead, live below your means. Track your expenses. Budget. Cut wasteful spending. The goal isn't to live miserably, it's to buy freedom. Invest early and consistently. Saving alone won't make you rich, you have to invest. And the earlier you start, the better, thanks to the power of compound interest. Whether it's stocks, real estate, index funds, or your own business, your money needs to work for you. Start small. If you have to, $50 a month, $100 a month, but start now. Time in the market beats timing the market. Build or own assets. Rich people own assets. Assets are anything that puts money into your pocket even while you're asleep. This could be rental properties, a YouTube channel that earns ad revenue, stocks that pay dividends, or digital products that sell themselves. Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like an owner. Think long-term. We live in a world of instant gratification, but wealth doesn't work like that. True financial freedom is a long-term game. It's about staying consistent for years. Even when it feels slow, investments grow. Skills compound, businesses mature. The key is to stay patient, stick to your plan, and not get distracted by shiny objects. Master money management. Money management is just as important as making money. Learn how to budget, understand debt, optimize your taxes legally. Protect yourself with insurance. If you don't know how money works, you'll lose it even if you make a lot. Surround yourself with winners. Finally, your environment matters more than you think. If you hang around people who complain, blame, and make excuses, you'll start doing the same. If you surround yourself with ambitious, smart, growth-minded people, you'll level up faster. Network intentionally. Find mentors. Join communities that inspire and challenge you. Building wealth isn't magic, it's math and mindset. If you follow these 7 steps consistently over time, getting rich isn't just possible, it's inevitable. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment telling me which step are you going to start with today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.